What's up, Rev Heads? How you guys doing? So today I have not actually opened this up yet. I did open the box just because the address was on top. But let's see if we can show you. See if we can hide this here. Look what we got. That is right. So pretty excited to see what's all in with this kit. Devil's Own alcohol meth injection. So this is a full kit with a controller as well for basically water meth injection. So looks like there's some tubing, I assume a protective case maybe. We got our nozzles here, I believe. Oh, what else we got? Fuse. Is that some zip ties? So yeah, this is the actual controller, which you can start in full power pump, full in here. Oh wow, yeah, that's the actual pump itself. So if you guys aren't familiar, there it is, DTP 5800. Basically, to give a quick rundown of what this is, you place the nozzle in your air intake system, and what this does, which, you know, if you have stock it's pointless, but if you're turbo or boosting, then this is a good way to change the temperature for more horsepower, and also it's better for your vehicle as well. So when you have boost, the colder the air, the colder the air, the longer the detonation, I believe. And with this, you can control the spray, and it sprays when you're on boost in your air intake. So it's the water meth sprays inside your air intake, which then helps your motor not combust as quickly, which then you can increase your PSI boost and also your horsepower with this. So with doing the mod box kit and everything else, the temperature, you know, would run pretty high if we didn't intercool and if we didn't do anything else. So this is just a good way to keep the temps down, but also increase the horsepower and torque, and also performability of the motor itself. So that is just a little rundown. I wonder if I wonder if it, you know, if you drill a hole in there, if it slides down in like that, or if it's for the top. Either way, this is the kit that we got, so I'll be excited to get that on there. Stay tuned. That'll come sometime in the future.